This YouTube hack will increase your productivity by making more YouTube videos in less time. So let's start with the first one, where you get your video ideas from faster. So you heard of GPT, right? Well, there's a better version that is free, and it's called Gemini. And it can allow you to get 25 video ideas. That's how you get video ideas faster. Now step 2. Once you got the video idea, then you need to come up with a video script. This will also allow you to edit faster, like scripting. The video scripting essentially is you write down what you're gonna say in the video word for word. Now, there's another hack you can do to make the process of video creating more easier, which is using a teleprompter. A teleprompter essentially is put your script on your phone or like a digital teleprompter, or you can like a physical one that you can put in front of you as you're recording your video, and it reads out your script so you can look naturally into the video instead of looking away each time to read the script. This will save you tons of time. Okay, now the video editing hack, which is a editing template now. Imagine you got your video ready in your video editor, and you got everything that you usually use in your video editing, but right at the start. So you don't have to go looking for it again and again. It's all ready for you. This will decrease your editing time a lot more, so you can focus on making your video better. If you want to see 4 more ways you can improve your videos, go ahead and watch the video on the screen now, and I'll see you there on the next video.